Don't be arguing about eating. Today we will share a new way of eating to ensure that you have eaten something special. First, pick 2 cute potatoes from the tree, then use a paring knife to peel off the coat, and then rush to give it to you. He cut the rented thin shreds into shredded potatoes. Let's put in more water and give him a sneak attack to wash off the starch inside, then cut some bonus fried beef rings, then boil water in the pot, add a spoonful of salt, and then put in the blanch the potato shreds and blanch it to make it super good. After that, let's put it in cold water and let it cool for the first time, then control the moisture. Let's quickly scatter the eggs and stir them evenly, then pour them into the potato shreds, and then add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of ingredients. Stir well with chopsticks, then pour it into the pot, turn on low heat and fry it until one side is set, then we will reverse the reaction and add the other side. After we add it, we will put it in the love pan, then change it to a knife, cut it into cubes, and fry it in half. After it is fragrant, add the added egg, add a spoonful of salt, turn on a low heat, stir it evenly and fry until fragrant.